In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva on your Squarespace website. Whether you're a business owner, a blogger, or someone who just loves creating beautiful designs, integrating Canva into your Squarespace site can really elevate the aesthetic and functionality of your pages. Let's dive in and see how it's done. First, you'll need to head over to Canva, which is your starting point for creating or selecting a design. Open up your web browser and go straight to the Canva homepage. If you haven't already, make sure you log into your Canva account. Having access right away will make this process smoother. Once you're on the home page and logged in, take a moment to browse through your projects or designs. Choose which one you'd like to embed on your Squarespace website. This could be anything from a stunning infographic to a visually appealing presentation, whatever best fits your needs. After deciding on a design, locate the Share button, usually found at the top right of your Canva interface. Clicking this button extends multiple options for you to share or export your design. For this purpose, you're going to click on the Embed option, which will grant you access to the embed code necessary for your Squarespace site. With the embed feature now open, you'll notice a Copy button that allows you to grab the embed code directly. Click it and ensure the code is successfully copied to your clipboard. This code is the secret sauce that allows you to integrate your Canva design into your Squarespace site seamlessly. Next, transition over to your Squarespace website editor. Once you're there, navigate to where you aim to place your Canva design. Click on Add Block in your selected area, and a menu will appear offering various content blocks you can incorporate into your site. Here, you'll select the Embed option. Now, locate the Edit button in the Embed menu and click it. This action leads you to another menu where you can manage the content of your embed. Find the Code Snippet section to input the code from Canva. Click once more on Embed Data, which will bring up a space to enter your embed code. Continuing, click on Add Code, where you'll finally paste the embed code that was copied earlier from Canva. Ensure that it fits perfectly without errors or missing elements. Finally, with your code in place, click on Save to lock in these changes. Your Canva design should now be successfully embedded into your Squarespace website, enhancing its look and engaging your audience more interactively. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to incorporate Canva designs into your Squarespace website. This integration not only broadens your creative horizons, but also enriches the user experience on your site. Thanks for following along.